Military coup for Africa is a setback, says a Nigerian envoy to United Nations. Military coup is not a setback. Democracy is like money. You have counterfeit democracy and you have democracy. If you have good democracy, it works. But once you start having democracy where you don't let it to function, that is, when we say democracy, you don't let it to function, it means that you don't allow the electorate to choose who they want. Forget about whether the person that they choose or have chosen is a drunkard. Don't worry about that. That's their choice. If he keep on drinking beer, next 4 years, they will vote him out. That is the beauty of democracy. But when you come to the African democracy where a drunkard goes into power and you want to remove him in power, he gives money and changes number and stay in power. That's why you have the problem. So the issue is not incompetency in democracy. The issue is the ability to remove incompetency. That is what determines whether democracy is real or fake. What we have in Africa is a fake democracy. And those people telling you that the military government doesn't develop a nation is a fool, the biggest fool in the world. Tell that to go to South Korea. General Chupak single-handedly catapulted South Korea from a war-torn, hungry nation to an industrial superpower. Military administration with a military head of state that knows what to do. That tells you that the military government cannot develop a nation, because in Africa we don't think, we listen to what a white man is telling us. Democracy, democracy, democracy by a white man. When you elect a good leader, they knock him out. Salvador Allende of Chile, the former prime minister of Iran, good leaders elected democratically, knocked out by America and British CIA agents. So Nigerian ambassador to the United Nations is nothing but expressing colonial and colonized mentality. Military government do develop a nation. South Korea is an example. General Chupak catapulted South Korea from a hungry country where people were on the street begging for food, no clothes, no shoes, no housing, catapulted into industrial powerhouse.